In this video we're giving an honest review of Lobstr Wallet, a secure and user-friendly option for managing Stellar Lumens, XLM, and other assets on the Stellar network. Available on web, iOS, and Android, Lobstr is designed for both beginners and experienced crypto users. The wallet offers strong security features including two-factor authentication, PIN protection, and biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint recognition. The Vault feature provides multi-signature protection, requiring approvals from multiple devices for transactions, ensuring your assets stay safe. Lobstr supports a wide range of Stellar-based assets and integrates with the Stellar Decentralized Exchange, SDX, allowing users to trade directly from the wallet. Its clean and intuitive interface makes sending, receiving, and managing tokens simple. However, some users have reported slow customer support and challenges with account recovery. It's crucial to securely store your recovery phrase, as losing it could result in permanent loss of access to funds. Overall, Lobstr Wallet is a solid choice for managing Stellar assets with a focus on security and usability, as long as users take precautions with their recovery information. If this review helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech and finance insights.